and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy alternative to coving. So, anybody who's coved before will know that this is not usual coving. Normal coving is made out of plasterboard. It is really horrible to use. It's heavy. It's a two-man job to put up anything of any length. But my dad, in his infinite wisdom, discovered this, which is called Super-Cove. You can tell how well prepared I am by presenting you with an already cut wrapper. But this is Super-Cove. It is a polyurethane, which I imagine is like a plastic. But the upshot is it's very light. So when you buy it, and it's slightly more expensive than traditional coving, it comes with its own adhesive, which is sort of like a silicone. And it's very simple to cut. You'll know that with when you're making any alterations to normal coving, it's a real pain in terms of how you cut it. If you get something up there and it's not quite right, you have to take it down, use a saw. With this, you can just cut it nicely with a Stanley knife, so it cuts really easily. I'd better not damage it because my sister will kill me. But yeah, it's really easy and simple to use. You would simply squirt the adhesive on the back, top and bottom, nicely on the lines, and then hold it up, and it dries pretty quickly. So if we take a look, this is the coving, this is the Super-Cove that has been put up already. Doesn't look any different to your traditional coving, but it takes less than half the time, and you can do it as a one-man job or one-woman job. And if we take a look over here at the joints, I'm not sure if you can see, it's just been painted, but there's a slight gap in the joint there, which has been easily filled with a little bit of caulk as per normal coving. So really simple, easy to use, and definitely would recommend for any beginners. I coved the whole downstairs of my house with the traditional stuff, and I can tell you that this is much easier. So give it a try. Look up Super-Cove, a little bit more expensive, but certainly worth it. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate all your views and subscriptions. Have a great day.